So this is how you can check the downloads on your Mac. Let's get into it. At first, we are talking about downloads, of course. So if you're downloading something from the internet using a web browser, at first check out the downloads right there. So inside of Safari, in the top right corner, you have buttons for new tabs and sharing and whatnot. But if you are downloading something, a download button will also appear right there, where you can check out the current progress of the download and also the recent history. So it is pretty nicely shown right there, right? You can easily just find it. Also, if you have the Safari open, what you can do is to also click on the view, and if you have that ability or if there are any downloads to be shown, you can click on show downloads or use the command of Shift Command L, and that's how you can actually just open up the downloads. Same for Google Chrome. Now, of course, there will be like a different way to access it. So inside of the Google Chrome, what you can do is essentially tap on the, go inside of the view section at the top right there as well, and you'll be able to just get it to the downloads folder too in a similar way, or you can click on the three dots inside of your Chrome tab and find downloads right there. But once you do download something from the internet, when it comes to showing or finding it inside of your Mac, what you can do then is to locate the Finder, which is like your file browser. And on the left panel, you should be able to find your downloads section. So you can click on it right away and scroll through your downloaded files. If for whatever reason you cannot find it, what you can do in this case is to click on Finder in the top left corner, then tap on the settings, and from the sidebar, ensure that the downloads are selected and therefore always appear on the side of your folders and everything. So that's how you can find your downloads. Naturally, you can also use the search feature to look for specific file types and keywords. So that's how you can also just proceed with it. So let me know below in the comments if you found this video helpful. Hit the thumbs up if you did. Subscribe for more tutorials and videos like this one, and I'll catch you in the future.